Hello, David. My name is Charles. I am with Warley Digital. Thanks for getting in touch with me on Alignable. I just wanted to shoot you this video as promised, and I'm going to give you 3 tips on how you can optimize your website and draw in more traffic. The reason I do this is because a lot of business owners don't have the time to actually optimize their website, and they're not capitalizing on the importance of showing up on the top results in the Google search. For example, if someone searches for real estate agent in Queens, Google statistics say about 90% of adults will search for local businesses using Google. 70% will not leave this first page. So if you're not on this first page, you're missing out on a lot of traffic. All right, so the tips I want to talk about, the 3 tips I want to give you are content, citations, and backlinks. So the first one is content. Let's go to your homepage. Yep. Content is everything that I've highlighted here. All the text, all the images, even what the images are saved as is considered content. So to optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text. And by that, I mean text that shows who you are, what you do, the services you provide, the locations you provide, etc. And it's important also to saturate that text with good keywords. For example, like I said before, real estate agent Queens, that is a keyword. I have a tool called Ahrefs, which explores keywords, and I put this into my tool and I realized that about 150 people search for that every month. And by domains, we can take a look and see how much traffic each domain is getting. And I want to use these guys here. Zillow, Realtor, those are huge websites. They're probably going to turn up first. They're national websites. But let's take a look at your competitor, Queen's Home Team. Remember in the search, when we search here, they appear here first with a map pack, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But also, here's Zillow, Realtor, here they are. And if we go to their website, you'll see it's it's one of your local competitors, basically. Okay, I'm going to be referring to them as an example moving on. But so that's content. Make sure you have good keywords that bring in a lot of traffic scattered around on your website, especially on your front page, with those 100 to 1,500 words of content. Second thing I want to talk about are citations. Now let's go back to that search that I did. Let me see, real estate agent Queens. Citations have to do with this area here, known as a map pack. Right before I explain what a citation is, I just want to talk about ads. Now, Google ads are always hit and miss. You can see some ads down here. You can see the new format of Google guaranteed ads up here. I say they're always hit and miss because a lot of the times some people have ad blockers. So if your target audience have ad blockers, they're not going to see your advertisement, and it will be a waste of your money. So citations have to do this area here. What is a citation? A citation is anywhere in any directory on the internet that your name, address, and phone number appear just as they appear in your Google My Business on your GMB. So the higher quality citation, the higher quality directories and the higher number of directories, the higher you'll show up in this map pack. And by directories, I mean sites like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, superpages.com, yellowpages.com, etc. There are tools out there that you can actually use. There's one called Bright Local, another one called whitespark.ca. You can actually analyze your competition citations and make sure you appear in those directories. But to actually rank more than that, you'd have to, and for a longer time, you'd have to beat them. I personally say get 50 to 100 more citations, so you'll keep on ranking the first of this map pack. Third thing I want to talk to you about has to do more with these organic search listings down here, and those are backlinks. A backlink is when another page, another web page, another website links to your website, any page on your site. That's considered a backlink. Not all backlinks are created equal. For example, if a Pizza Hut is linking to you, you guys are in two different niches. Google see that as kind of spammy. However, if there's a real estate conference and they have a blog, real estate conference in Connecticut, and they have a blog and have your website linked there. They have a link to your website, sorry, driving traffic to you. Google sees that as more authoritative. You're in the same niche. That forum probably has a site that's been there for a while, established in real estate, so they'd see that as a stronger backlink. So I want to analyze your website. You have about 17 backlinks so far, and just a little bit about organic keywords. I want to see these are the keywords that you're ranking for. But your position, whenever people search for these keywords, your position is pretty low. This 30th position is about, I don't know, maybe the 8th, 9th page of Google. So it's important to get better keywords that have a higher search volume and then saturate them on your website. All right, so back to the backlinks. Let's also take your competitor's website, and I put them here, queenshometeam.com. They have a huge heading. You can tell that they're trying to rank with on Google just by the heading. However, they have about 3,000 backlinks from 519 domains. The quality of their backlinks, I can see here on a scale from 0 to 100, most of them are lower quality backlinks. So it'd be incumbent to whoever is doing your SEO to actually come here, look at their backlinks. If they are good quality backlinks, then I'd make sure I can match their backlinks. I'm not sure why they have like this backlink here. They're mentioned somewhere on this school site for some reason. Cobcast. Yeah, here we go. So I'm not sure. This seems like a school district website. I'm sure Google sees that as spammy, as a spammy link. And you can tell that the traffic they're getting is not even 1 per month from that link. So just like I was saying, not all backlinks are the same. It's incumbent, go look at your competition's backlinks, make sure you're featured on those sites, and then probably double or triple the number of backlinks that they have. Well, if you have higher quality backlinks, then you wouldn't need to double or triple them. So it's all a game of analyzing your competition, looking at the strength of the backlinks, and figuring out which ones you can get that can grab their traffic. Also, again, with keywords, if you're looking for keywords, it's important to analyze your competition's keywords and see, okay, so for example, for some reason, Queens real estate agent. Or even real estate agent Queens, New York. That's a different keyword. 200 people look for that every month. Your competition gets 17 people coming to the site because they are number 5 on Google. That's on the front page. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. Feel free to hand this over to your SEO person or your website designer and have them implement these tips and see more traffic coming to you. If you'd like to work together on this, again, I'm with Warley Digital. My name is Charles, and we can discuss about how we can partner and help you start drawing in more traffic with your asset, your digital asset, your website. Thank you, David.